Everybody, so I'm about to get ready to make my macaroni and cheese video that I will be dropping tomorrow. These are the cheeses that I use to make my macaroni and cheese that my family loves, okay? So here we have 1 pound of Munster. We have 1 pound of Vermont cheddar cheese, the extra sharp. You gotta get it. It's not gonna taste like mine if you don't get these cheeses. You gotta get Gouda cheese. You have to get mozzarella, okay, low moisture mozzarella. You have to get a pound of Kobe Jack, and you have to get a pound of sharp cheddar cheese, okay? You will also need some butter. I got sweet cream butter. You're gonna need some sour cream. You're gonna need some milk. You can use carnation milk, half and half, whatever. You're gonna need some self-rising flour, and of course you will need some eggs, okay? And you're gonna need your elbow macaroni noodles as well. So I will be dropping this video tomorrow.